Adding up on the gain that we did yesterday. And the most important update for today, guys, that we have to discuss urgently is, of course, you know it. If you watch our video that we did yesterday, because we do every day a new update, we said the $2, guys, is the most important level to hold. And guess what? You see here, the market opened. This candle was yesterday, and we held over the $2 consolidating, and now we added again another 4%. So we have to discuss AMC, and let's see, GameStop is a bit down for today, but yeah, we have to discuss put them really quick because the squeeze is about to happen at any moment. Before we go further, guys, remember our content always for education purposes only. So let us discuss GameStop because it's pretty light on volume. This is the first time we start the market with just less than 100K. Because we got another seller, guys, just added their position just here around the 22.59 before the 23.69, and the price is pulling back. But it's still not a huge pullback because we pulled back just 1% and we didn't pull back below the 20. So this is another consolidation after the good earnings that we have back here on the beginning of June. For AMC, on the other hand, the different story, 2 million worth of volume, 5% doing a new high. We almost getting near the high that we did back in the beginning of June, around the $2.22, guys. For today, we need to break the $2.22 in order to go to the 246, the major level of squeeze. And of course, we're going to discuss AMC and other stocks like what we did for today for TOVX and EDHL, the main squeezer for today, guys. This one was a really good play. We discussed it before the market opened. The link in the description below, guys, if you want to catch those stocks that squeeze almost 500% and more, of course, to catch them with us. Right now, guys, AMC is about to test the $2.22. Right now, $2.21 is about to squeeze, guys. 5%, 6%, now 7%, $2.22. It got hit while I'm doing our update right now, guys. This is really crazy. We tested the $2.22. We didn't have the $2.23. It means the sellers is still protecting their price here around the $2.22, guys. This is really important level, for my opinion, to have at least 1 cent over the last resistance without a huge pullback. You see a huge green candle, the huge volume right now on this just 1 hour candle is getting higher volatility, almost 500,000 worth of volume for this candle alone. Before, you see, we just had 5K, 4K, 5K for those candles. Last candle at the beginning market open yesterday was 700K, almost 1 million. But for this one, I think we might hit the 1 million for this one, guys, because you see the $2.22, $2.23 right now we hit it, guys, and we don't have a huge pullback. It mean we might squeeze for today toward the 246. So watch out, guys. AMC is getting crazy, 7% right now. It was 6%. So I'm watching AMC closely and might even trade it because it look really juicy right now, for my opinion, toward right now the level which is the 246, because I think the short sellers is running around right now. They're fearing that they cannot cover up huge price for AMC. I'm gonna do another update, of course, for AMC later on our Discord and Patreon, and of course for tomorrow on our live streaming that we do daily, 30 minutes before the market open. In the meantime, watch out for this pump that happened for AMC, and the pump is still continue, guys. This is really crazy. The best sign for this pump was holding over the $2, as we discussed it yesterday, guys. This is just the beginning. Let's see what's gonna happen around the 246. We're gonna have a huge pullback or a continuation and holding over the $2.